Imagine a motorhome so imposing that it doesn't just arrive on the horizon, it commands it. Picture 6 driven wheels gripping the earth, armored panels catching the light, and a presence that feels more like a moving fortress than an RV. This is the 2026 GMC 6X6 Armored Motorhome, a machine built for those who don't simply travel the world, but challenge it, daring deserts, mountains, and uncertainty with absolute confidence. At its core is the GMC name, a brand long associated with strength and heavy-duty engineering, taken to an extreme through custom 6x6 conversion and military-grade protection. This is not a factory brochure motorhome you casually pick up at a dealership. It's a bespoke creation, and that exclusivity is reflected in the price. Depending on the level of armor, luxury, and technology, figures typically start around the $500,000 mark and can soar well beyond $1 million, placing it firmly in the realm of elite expedition vehicles rather than conventional RVs. From the outside, the design is unapologetically bold. The extended chassis, triple-axle stance, and towering ride height instantly signal that this motorhome was born for hostile terrain. Thick armored body panels, reinforced glass, and massive off-road tires give it a muscular, almost cinematic silhouette, while subtle luxury touches remind you this isn't a military truck. It's a premium overland residence designed to survive anywhere on Earth. Step inside, and the contrast is striking. The rugged exterior gives way to a refined hotel-like interior where comfort takes center stage. High-end materials, leather seating, ambient lighting, and carefully designed living spaces create a sense of calm and luxury. There's a fully equipped kitchen, a proper bathroom with a shower, generous sleeping arrangements, and smart storage everywhere, making long journeys not just possible, but genuinely enjoyable. Powering this rolling stronghold is a mighty diesel V8, delivering immense torque through an advanced automatic transmission and a full 6x6 drivetrain. This setup isn't about speed, it's about unstoppable momentum. Whether climbing steep inclines, crawling over rocks, or powering through sand and snow, the motorhome moves with relentless authority, carrying its weight with surprising composure. Behind the wheel, the driving experience feels commanding rather than intimidating. Yes, it's large, but smart engineering, camera systems, and electronic aids make it far more manageable than its size suggests. On highways, it settles into a confident cruise, while off-road it transforms into a true expedition vehicle, soaking up rough terrain and maintaining traction where ordinary RVs would never dare to go. Safety is where this motorhome truly separates itself from anything else on the road. In practical terms, this motorhome is designed for true independence. Large water tanks, ample fuel capacity, and durable components make it ideal for weeks, months, away from traditional infrastructure. Its greatest strengths lie in its unmatched capability, security, and luxury, while its drawbacks are equally clear: massive size, high fuel consumption, and a price that places it far beyond the reach of typical RV buyers. In the end, the 2026 GMC 6X6 Armored Motorhome isn't for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's for explorers who demand absolute freedom, for individuals who value safety as much as adventure, and for those who see travel not as a vacation, but as a statement. In a world full of ordinary motorhomes, this one stands alone as a symbol of power, protection, and unstoppable ambition. Technology plays a quiet but powerful role throughout the cabin. Solar panels, large battery systems, and backup generators allow for extended off-grid living. Navigation, satellite communication, smart controls, and climate systems ensure you remain connected, informed, and comfortable no matter how far you are from civilization. It's a perfect blend of modern tech and survival-grade engineering. Ballistic armor, reinforced flooring, run-flat tires, and advanced surveillance systems provide protection against threats most travelers never even consider. This isn't just about comfort, it's about peace of mind. Whether you're crossing remote borders, isolated regions, or simply wanting the highest level of personal security available in a recreational vehicle,